Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I will be taking a look at the motions and gestures feature on this new device. Okay, so to find motion and gestures, just pull down the notifications, go into the settings and scroll down until you see advanced features. Select it, and here you will find motions and gestures, and inside here you will see there's quite a few different motions and gesture options. So the first one is lift to wake, so turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. So I've got my phone on the table here, so I'm going to try this. So let me just turn off the display there. So when I pick it up, it should wake up the display, as you can see. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is double tap to turn on the screen. So turn on the screen when you double tap it. So let's try that. Okay, so turn off the screen. So when I double tap on the display, it should wake up. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. Double tap to turn off screen. So double tap an empty space on the home or lock screen. Okay, so once again, let's just turn off the display there. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. So keep screen on while viewing. So keep the screen on while you're looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face. Okay, so basically when you lift the display up towards your face and you keep looking at it, it will not turn off. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. So alert when phone picked up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or a message. Okay, so let me try this. I'm going to dial my phone. Give myself a quick missed call. Okay, let's try that again. It's not ringing. Okay, so I've just given myself a quick missed call there. So now when I pick up the phone, it should vibrate. Yeah, I heard the little vibration and I also felt it. Don't know if you could hear that on the phone, but it did vibrate. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. Okay, so the next one is mute with gestures. So mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to call my phone. Okay, so it's ringing, so put my hand over it and it should then mute. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so as you can see, when you put your hand over the display, it will mute. Okay, so I'm going to try it one more time, and then I'm going to turn the phone over on its display and see if it mutes. Okay, so let's dial the number one more time. Okay, so I've turned it over on its display, and as you can see, it's now muted. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one, which is palm swipe to capture. So swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Okay, so let's give this a try. It might not work the first time because I've got a screen protector on. Fingers crossed it should work though. Okay, so I've just taken a screenshot, as you can see there. And if I go into the gallery, the screenshot should be there. There it is. Okay, let's see if I can do a palm swipe to capture the home screen. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so I've just captured the home screen there. I think. Yep. And from here you can edit the screenshot. You can add text to it. And you can draw on the screenshot. And you can add filters to it. And then you can save it, or you can even delete it. So yeah guys, this was just my video taking a look at the motions and gestures on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. These motion and gestures should also be on the regular Samsung Galaxy S21 and also the S21 Plus as well. Let me know what you think of the feature in the comment section down below. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Be sure to thumbs up the video, share the video. See you in the next video guys. Deuces.